Right, so let's start the app. Okay, so it's waiting for a GPS fix. There we go, we've got a GPS fix, and you see it's just loading the map now. So it's just downloading the map using my phone. So we're standing on the corner of a road, a main road and a minor road. So this is the minor road that we're looking up here, and then the main road is to my right here. So this is the main road here. Okay, so you can actually see in red there, just to my right, is the footpath, which is that footpath there. So we'll walk down that footpath, ignoring the route for now, which is the blue arrows, and just watch as the map adjusts. So we'll start the timer. There we go, so started. Timer at the bottom and distance at the top. Just walk up here. So as we walk, the map should rotate as it realizes that we're walking. There we go. We're now walking up that footpath. So you can see it shows the green field that we're on, and we're next to the main road, so walking parallel to the main road, which is just there. Okay, so let's keep walking. Walk as far as maybe that footpath that we crossed just at the corner there. So you see on the left hand side there is a map scale. That line's 80 metres, so it's probably about 40 metres to the footpath. And just above it is a little red and white line where the red end points north, so you can see north is behind me. So the app is designed so that you're always in the middle of the map, and it also rotates as you walk. Right, so let's see where we are. We're almost at the crossroads. If I show you, so this is that footpath that's crossing our way here, and then this is the footpath we just walked down. Right, so now if we walk down this triangle, should turn around in a second. There we go, walking back up this footpath over here. So the main roads are shown in white, footpaths are in red, bridleways are in green. You can just see if I stop to my right on the bottom right hand of the screen, the route, which is in blue, is shown going down a bridleway which is off in that direction in those trees. So let's just keep walking back up the triangle. Right. So we should come to another little footpath in a second. So you can see just here there is a footpath that crosses my path. It's very faint actually, but it is a footpath. You can see we are at that footpath there. So if I walk down in that direction, I'll walk to the left on the watch back towards where we started. So let's walk that way. So the routes are held on the website. You can load the routes using the menu on the watch. So I've got a route loaded here, which is just on my right on that road. As you can see, we're just about to join it, and then it comes around in a circle and it comes back up just where we were. So the routes are shown in blue with arrows showing which direction the route goes in. And you can upload any GPX file to the website. Let's keep walking. When we get to the end, just show you the data screens. So we're just coming up on the road now. Let's hop over this bank. Right. So we're at the road. You can see we're at the road, and then the main road is in that direction. Right, so let's show the data screen. So there's 2 data screens, each with 4 fields. I'll just swipe to the right to get to the first data screen. There we go. So you can see I've walked 271 meters, been going for 3 minutes 40 seconds. Average pace is, well, pretty slow. If we go to the right once more, you can see that my heart rate is 74. I've gone up 4 meters and down 0. And you can customize these fields from the menus as well. So you get 8 fields on the 2 screens and then 2 on the map screen as well. Let's go back to the map. Right, so here we are at the map. and you can zoom the route out. So if I slide my finger up the screen, it will zoom the map out. There we go, so it's zoomed the map out. You can see it's redrawing the map, and this time it hasn't drawn the green space because I've zoomed out too far, but you can see the roads in the distance, and as I zoom out further you'll see less detail, but the route will never disappear. Right, so now I've zoomed out a little bit further and you can see it's only drawing the main roads now. It's just reloading them as I look at it. So you can see it's drawing the main road over there and this little side road, and you can see the route in blue, so it's a solid blue line now. And the map scale on the left is 240 meters. So I'll zoom all the way out until you can see the whole route. Right, so now I've zoomed out so you can see the whole route. So it doesn't show any of the other features at this zoom level because there'd just be too much to display, but you can see your route, you can see where you are on it, and it will rotate to show where you've moved to. So let's zoom all the way back in again. We'll keep zooming in beyond where I was before. So now I'm at 40 meter zoom and it's just downloading the map for the 40 meter zoom. There we go, so it's downloaded 40 meters. We keep going. So now we're at 20 meter zoom. So you can zoom right in and right out. So let's just walk back up to the crossroads over here, and we'll stop it there. There we go, so you now see it's following the direction I'm walking in. And you can actually see, if I stop in a second, that so we're crossing that footpath that we were at before, which is that one there. And the footpath on my right carries on in that direction. And then in front of me, actually, you can see the detail of the little triangle. So there we are. So the running route, goes down that footpath to my right. And that's it, that's Mappily.